First grade. Earlier in the school year, we learned a little bit about James Rizzi, and we did a little James Rizzi review. Today we're going to focus just on his birds, and we're going to draw them together. So what you have at your seats today is some white paper, a pencil, a black oil pastel, and some glitter crayons. The first thing I want you to do is write your name on your paper, first grade, your teacher's initial, and flip it over. What we're going to do is start out with drawing these together. So you're going to put a big V in the middle of the paper and two little dots. This is his beak and his nostrils. Then you're going to make two big round circles and put dots in the center. You are then going to take and make a curve from the beak all the way around from one end of the V to the other. From the side of his head or the side of his beak, you're going to make a big round belly, and it's going to go to a point, and then that point is going to go up, and that's going to be his tail. You are going to add some feet, two legs with toes, and feathers on his tummy. You can add some hair at the top of his head. Later on, we're going to glue on some feathers. Then you can decorate the background with things that James Rizzi puts in his drawings. Flowers, hearts, simple things. You don't have to copy exactly me, but you can. Maybe I'll make my own style of flower. What you're going to do next is you're going to go over all of these pencil lines with black oil pastel. After you've outlined everything in oil pastel, if we have time, then you will put different line ideas with glitter crayon. We're not coloring in solid, you're actually just doing lines. So in the hearts I have straight lines, and in the flowers I did wavy lines in his beak, zigzags in the top of his head, swirls in his belly. The harder you push with the crayon, the better it will resist later. And then we're going to watercolor over the top of these. After these are all watercolored, you're also going to get a chance to choose some feathers that will glue to the top of his head. And then we'll have a display of fabulous James Rizzi inspired birds. When these are done today, because they are dry, they are going to go in your colored folder, and then we will paint next time. Thank you so much for listening. Start outlining everything in black. All right.